Finesse. Finesse.
What's up, guys? It's Breezy E here, and today we're reacting to Jack Vale Films almost sneezing on people. You know, if somebody almost sneeze on me, I will actually be running towards the other direction because I don't want to get, I don't know what that person have or anything. So I'm gonna try to keep my distance away from either harming my life or harming somebody else's life. I don't know how I'm gonna harm somebody else's life, but you do what you have to do. And let's jump into the video here. Let's go. Oh,
I thought I was gonna sneeze.
that will be not my reaction. I will be running like a bitch. I just don't like that feeling when you lose a sneeze. Like I have to sneeze. If I don't sneeze, I get mad for some apparent reason. Oh, there you go. Dodge out the way. My man. Konnichiwa. He got round two. By the second time, I would know something was up. He just messing with Asians today. Alright, this been it, guys. I have no words for this video because it's actually him just about to sneeze on people. This was a great video here. Ain't no what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.